So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The organizer asked me to provide some concluding remarks as IRSN. I will provide you the point of view of a French person. First, I am happy to come back again because I was present in almost all the dialogues. As IRSN member, not happy because IRSN, is still supporting the dialogue, but also as ICRP member. And also because I am totally aware of the fact that an accident can happen in my country too. And it is very important for us to have a good picture of what is this type of situation. I'm happy also to see that the dialogue is continuing, because it is a challenge to organize and have such events time to time. And now this dialogue is in local hands, not only no more in the ICRP hands, and it is important from my point of view. We have today a very good audience and very active audience. And this dialogue shows that many information was provided on the current situation, and particularly on the theme of the day, which is agriculture and fishery. And I am also hoping this dialogue will continue for the sake of local people first, but not only because, and it was pointed out today several times, this experience should be shared and disseminated around Japan and around the world. The same was agriculture and fishery. You have to know that it is a subject which is of a great interest in France, not only in Japan, but in France. Probably you know we have many famous products, wine, cereals, dairy products. We have 365 kinds of cheese in France. You can eat one different cheese every day during 1 year. We have protected labels, and it is a big part of our exportation, and this is why it is very important for us. In Japan, as it was demonstrated today and yesterday, there is a the agriculture and fishery was highly impacted by the catastrophe in terms of destruction of infrastructure, of any different type of destruction. In terms of contamination, this contamination is low, but it exists, and we have to take that into account. And in terms of image of the product, of the people, and also because of many rumors. It was said also that the accident could be the opportunity for a new way of thinking in terms of sustainable development, revisiting the issue of responsibilities, revisiting the resource management, notably in fishery, with more discipline, with introduction of new technology, not only because of aggression, but also in terms of development. Reinvent a new type of marketing, and we'll come back later on about that. And also in terms of relationships, particularly between producer and consumer, in order to achieve trust and solidarity. What is the problem? It was clear, as he said, today, foodstuff contamination is no more the problem. Because now the different numbers are no more exceeded. The measurement shows that the level is quite always below the detection limit. However, it was also pointed out, the consumer do not buy local product. Of course, it is a complex situation. It was explained that we have different groups of population. Some are totally worried, they do not want to buy at all. Others are hesitating, vegans, do I buy or not? And some are supporting. A few of them, but some supporting. And it was said also that the solidarity better works locally than on a broad scale. It means that the problem is not, or at least not only, the radioactivity. And then facing such situation, we probably need to build a new strategy. And your reflection today were very useful for us because we are also the same type of thinking. I tried on this last slide to put on the table the layout of possible new strategy. Of course, all aspects are not new. We have classical aspects, I would say, the facts to reduce the impact of the accident, the contamination, agricultural countermeasures, etc. The importance to monitor, to make measurements and to monitor the product is a key point. And of course, behind, we could set bans or restrictions. We could also develop new activities, because it is the case in Japan with flower, solar farm, etc. That is, I would say, the classical response in the context of agriculture and fishery. But other types of response were developed in the discussion. The key point of improvement of the quality of the foodstuff. Not only the radiological quality, but the global quality in terms of taste, in terms of type of product, and sometimes new processes are developed, or new labelling, for example, organic product, etc. The importance too, to restore the confidence. It was said that to claim that products are safe is useless. In the context of lack of trust, it is useless to say that. It's better to provide information in a perfect transparency and to let people make their own choices. Of course, we need to provide this information to the largest audience possible, and notably using a different way of communication, notably social network, TV, YouTube, etc. And as I said previously, the layout of a new type of marketing was presented through different aspects, different elements. New segments, for example, feed and not only food. New partnerships between different actors. Differentiated targets. We provide products for given targets. New labelings. Adaptability and through sometimes alternatives. New circuit, and notably short circuit. Promotion of product, promotion of product producer, organization of events, to provide gifts. It's a way to make the promotion of local product, and also I would say, to play with prices, and notably with lower prices, etc., etc. We can see that there is imagination in order to provide a new strategy. And the aim of this new strategy is to maintain a sustainable economic activity in the affected territories. And it is an issue for everybody, not only for the local people, but at national level, and I would say also at international level. Of course, it's not simple, and there are many questions raised behind. I mentioned two of them. One is how to motivate young professionals, notably to come here or to come back for those who were previously in Fukushima Prefecture. And it is a big challenge. Another question is how long should the control be maintained? Because it is costly, it takes time, and it is a way also to continue to question the product as far as they are controlled. It means that contamination is still present, and then one day probably we need to stop. When? Difficult to make a decision. I will stop here. It is what I just touched from the today's dialogue as a French people, professional and also citizen. As I said, aware we could be in the same situation than you. Thank you very much.